This is a 2012 Ford Focus, and we are removing the instrument cluster. Next, we have to remove this T25 screw that is on the top column cover. We want to rotate our steering wheel 90 degrees from center, and then we'll look for this little piece right here to release the top column shroud. Next, we have to rotate our steering wheel 180 degrees to the left, and we'll find another release button right here. We'll push in, and that will release the top cover. Now we can push up on our top column cover. Next, we need to remove this panel right here that's connected to the top column cover. If you grab it right here, just pull back. Just like that. Now we can remove the top column cover and that cover. Next, we have to remove these two T25 headed screws that hold the cluster in, one here and one right here. So we got to remove those now. This is the last screw right here. Well, that's a tight fit in there. Alright. We'll partially get it out here so we can get the connector off the back. There's a little lock right here you push down and then slide that bail forward and then remove the connector. So that's all there is to remove an instrument cluster from your Ford Focus.